Hello guys, welcome to another Stitch Fix unboxing. I am excited about this box because I asked for jackets and cardigans and layering pieces and things like that. I have seen some great jackets in the style cards when they send you, here's how to style pieces, and it's like, please, well, send me those because those jackets look awesome. By the way, my name is Jen. I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, so if videos all about fashion is interesting to you, then please subscribe below. Return viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. Your comments support mean the world to me, really do. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will go over it super quick while I open this box up because I am excited to see what's inside. This styling service where you fill out a style survey and they send a stylist picks out 5 items for you based off of your request for that particular box or your Pinterest, things like that. You just keep what you like, send back what you don't like. They only charge you for what you keep. There's a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase, but you do have to purchase something to get that money back. They give you 3 days to decide what to keep and make your decision, but if you do need longer, they do let you extend it for a couple weeks, and that frequently happens for me. That's pretty much it. Okay, so let's just dive right in. I see a lot of dark colors and I'm cool with that. I like grays and blacks, things like that. So let's dive on in. First up, we have a Fortune and Ivy. This is the Regina Hachi knit dress in gray. And it is an animal print dress. And it's not very thick. I can kind of see through it a little bit, but that's fine. And it looks to be 3/4 sleeves, no pockets, kind of a fit and flare type style, which I do like that. So I like this. I think this is a nice dress, a nice fall winter type dress. Oh, I did ask for some animal print stuff, so forgot about that. Yes, animal prints. So this is by Lush. This is a worn split neck blouse, and this is a navy blouse with just some subtle black animal print to it. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I think that's cute. I like that it's subtle. I'm not a huge blouse person just because I find them to be very cold. I don't really care for sheerness of blouses, so we'll see what I think about that. Then from Absolutely, this is the Marco crew neck pullover. So this is a gray pullover with black polka dots, which I love polka dots for some reason. So I really like this. I think this is very cute. Happy with that. And then we have a jacket. All right, so this is Liverpool. I'd call it a plum color. It's a moto jacket, so you can see the zip down the side. Since it's Liverpool, it's gonna be probably about 90 bucks, I would guess, without looking at it. So really cute jacket though. So that I'm excited to try on, very excited. And then some gray skinnies, it looks like. They are distressed at the ankles. So there you see that here at the ankles, and then kind of a reinforced frayed edge, which I do like the reinforced quite a bit. And that's pretty much the majority of this dressing, just kind of the worn pocket look on the front and the back. These are beautiful though, I like these. These are by Can, and these are the Annalise Distressed Skinny Jean, and I really like these. So we'll see. My biggest issue when you've got the distressing down here is generally the length, because I don't see on here, did it say whether size was petite? No, it does not say petite. And then generally all this just gets completely lost on me because I have to roll it in order to, wear it. And these don't look particularly short. They didn't say ankle on them. So my guess so we'll see. Maybe I'll get surprised, but hopefully they're not too long. Okay, so love those pieces. Really excited to try this all on. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, ladies, gentlemen, those watching, I have my first outfit on. So, jacket, I love it. I feel like it fits well. It doesn't seem like it's too big. It's also got room to move. and things like that. So I think it's a good fit. This is the look zipped up, and then this is the look unzipped. I actually feel like I like it both ways. So what do you guys think? I showed it to my hubby and he really liked it, thought it'd be a great band jacket. So we'll see what the price is like, but I think this might be a keeper. Really love the color. I don't have anything like this, and it's cool. It's like a denim material, actually, like a nice denim. I forgot to mention that when I pulled it out. So a stretchy denim. Anyways, really like it. Love to hear your opinions. All right, next up we have I'm a little monochromatic here with the grays, but the gray sweater with the polka dots and the gray jeans. Now the sweater, it's thin, but it's super comfortable. The sleeves are maybe slightly long, but I could easily just throw on a roll, like a cuff here, and then boom, problem solved. So I'm gonna do that right now. And I like it. I like the length. I like that it's kind of a longer one. And I don't like it with these pants. I don't particularly want to be a gray all over person, but I think it's cute. Okay, next up, the jeans. Now, top half, I absolutely love it. Smooth, flat, high-waisted, almost to my belly button, good snugness, no gapping in the waistband. It's funny, as I've done these boxes over the years, my tolerance for gapping in the waist has just completely gone down because I found so many pairs where that's not an issue. So any pair where there's any gapping doesn't make the cut. Now, I love the color, the fading, the distressing. These would be keepers except for tons of extra fabric down here. And I know that in a different, I think maybe a Trendsend, they tried to do like a roll so you can still see the distressing on it, and I really couldn't come up with anything that would work on that, and so the distressing at the bottom is just ruined. So these will not be keepers, but they feel great. They really feel great. That's what they look like all the way around. All right, let's get the blouse on now. Okay, the blouse, I actually like the blouse a lot with these gray jeans, but it's just okay in my opinion. Now the sleeves are tab sleeves and you actually cannot untab them, so you're kind of stuck with that, which is fine. That's not an issue for me. It is, you know, a decent, it's pretty long and flowy, and I think that's maybe what bothers me, it's so long. And of course you can always tuck it, but here's my thing that gets me a little bit, and I'd love to hear what you guys think, is sometimes when it comes to a front tuck, which I think I did a poor front tuck, but when it comes to a front tuck, it just bothers me because it's like, ooh, here's my shirt, and then it's like, boom, you know, here's the rest of the shirt, and it's just like this drastic down. Like, is that cute? Is this fashionable? I don't know. So give me your thoughts if you don't mind. All right, the dress is last. All right, I feel a bit mixed on this dress. So I kind of like, it's just a crew neck on it, and so I think it would wear well with some long necklaces or a shorter statement necklace. I'd like that. I like that it's a 3/4 sleeve. I don't know that I love dresses that are like full length sleeves, so I do like that. And I wish it had pockets. I kind of keep reaching for it. I wish it was lined because there's no lining, which makes it a little bit cooler. Again, maybe this could be a band type dress because I could be airy. Now it's the shape. Now it's not as bad as other shift type. Is shift the right word? It's not as bad as other dresses where, you know, some of them can be completely shapeless. I forget the style of dress. Is it the shift that I'm thinking of? So it's not that bad, but it's still very roomy, very flowy. I mean, it fits great, so it's not a size thing, it's just the style. I don't know, I'm very mixed on this. So, love to hear your guys' opinions on it. I like it. It's a good length because it's like right at the knee, but not below it. And I like the pattern. So, next. All right, I guess it probably depends on price. So, let's go find out the price of everything. Okay, glancing here through my stylist note. My stylist is Nikki. She's fantastic. She always listens to my notes and looks at my Pinterest, things like that. So I couldn't say enough nice things about her. So first of all, the dress here, she suggests, first of all, I have a jacket very similar to this that you guys are gonna see in an upcoming video from a blogger sale that I went to. So that's a good suggestion to have. But she mentioned pairing the jacket with it, which I had done that. I didn't think of that until I read that. But she also suggested pairing the blue leopard print with the gray jeans. And gosh, there's so many great jackets on here though. This is why I request jackets, because it's like beautiful jacket, beautiful jacket, two beautiful jackets, and then obviously the one I got in here. So, all right, now let's go to the prices. See the damage? This is fix number 28 for me. Man, time flies. All right, so the distress skinny jeans from Can, they are $58. That was kind of the range I was guessing they were. And love the distressing on them. I really like ankle distressing. I'm into that right now, but the length of them kind of ruins that whole effect, so not keeping. Then we have the Liverpool dark purple Bradford Moto denim jacket, $98. Now, this is what happens when you request jackets, and I think this is why they don't tend to send them to me, is because I don't like paying for them. $98, that's to be expected for Liverpool, but it's a really great jacket. It looks great, it looks cool. We're gonna give that a maybe. Right now, we're just gonna give that a maybe. I'm not gonna make a decision on it yet. Then we have this is the Absolutely Markle crew neck pullover, and this is $38. I liked this. I don't know how excited about it I am. I feel like I've got a lot of like cute gray sweaters that are kind of casual-ish like this. I mean, I would wear this to work with, you know, some black dress pants or something like that. So again, a maybe. This might be one that I struggle to make a decision on. Then we have the navy animal print. This is the Lush worn split neck blouse. It's $44 and I like it, but since I have other pieces that I am considering for this box, don't think I'm gonna keep that. And then we have the animal print dress. This is by Fortune and Ivy, and this is 44 bucks. This is surprisingly affordable. Okay, so the total for the entire box is $282. If I bought all 5, I get a 25% discount. I probably forgot to mention that. I always forget to mention that when I'm describing the service. That's like one of the most important things. Anyways, order subtotal is $211.50. I do have enough credit from when I had the $75 credit promotion going on. I do have enough credit to cover that, which would make it the whole box free, but I am not going to buy the whole box. I am trying to spread that credit out because I am doing lots of Stitch Fix videos and it gets very expensive very quickly. Now, I do want to mention that if you want to try the service, you do get $25 off for using somebody's referral link, unless there happens to be a promotion going on. So kind of hunt around if you want to try it. There's the $50 that's more common, and then occasionally, randomly, somebody's getting even better. So hunt around for that. I'm not going to even put my referral link below because I am maxed out for the year. So find somebody else's so that they can enjoy the credit. And obviously you'll enjoy the credit too. So guys, I don't know what I'm keeping. I feel like that's annoying to end a video with not knowing what you're keeping, but I'm having a hard time deciding. Okay, general thoughts so that you guys can give me feedback, because you guys are always so awesome at giving feedback. We know that the navy animal print top and the gray pants are out. Okay, so I'll say, as far as how I feel about it, I go, I like, I really like, and I love. So what does one do? This is affordable. This is $38. This is also affordable for a dress. This is $44. All right, guys, help me decide. You guys are awesome. I love you. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.